Hi, this is Tai Chi with Suze, and I'm Suze. This morning I'm going to be sharing some Tai Chi with you from beautiful Delano Wiggins Pass State Park in Naples, Florida. I hope you enjoy the flow, so find a comfy spot and let's get our flow going on together. Welcome to Tai Chi. We'll begin with a focus on our breath as always. Feet about as far apart as hips or shoulders parallel. Left thumb gently in the belly button, palm on the abdomen, right hand on top. Placing our hands on our center, our dantian, 2 to 3 inches inside our body. We'll breathe deeply in through the nose and out through the mouth. Breathing deeply in to fill the center, exhaling fully through the mouth to empty. Breathing in and out, in and out. We're breathing deeply to relax the body, quiet the mind, and smooth out the energy. Now moving on to our gentle relaxation movements, starting with the head and neck, inhaling as we look up and exhaling as we look down, releasing tension from the scalp, the face, and the jaw with the breath, creating space for the energy that Qi would cultivate to flow through the body. Now inhaling at center and exhaling as we turn to look to the side. Breathing in and out, in and out, releasing tension in the neck and the throat, letting go of the tension that blocks the flow of energy, of healing Qi through our body, opening up the energy pathways with the breath. Now we inhale at center, exhale as the ear floats down to the shoulder. Breathing in up to center, exhaling out, releasing tension alongside the neck with the breath on both sides. Just feeling that tension melt away as we continue to breathe deeply. Now moving down the body to the shoulders, we inhale as shoulders float up and exhale as shoulders float down. Letting go of any tightness in the shoulders with the breath, breathing in and out. Now alternating, inhaling one shoulder around and exhaling the other. Breathing deeply down to the center, the dantian. Just washing away the tension with the breath, creating space for the Qi to flow. Now reversing the movement, inhaling as shoulders float back and up, and exhaling as they flow forward and down. Body rises and sinks just a little, whole body harmonizing with the flow. Now inhaling one shoulder around and exhaling the other. Breathing deeply, letting it go. And now moving to the chest and the upper back, outward circles. We inhale up and we exhale down. Breathing in and out. Opening the chest, lifting the heart, relaxing the upper back between the shoulder blades. And now we'll alternate, inhaling one hand around all by itself and exhaling the other, turning at the waist, massaging the internal organs, keeping each hand on its own side of the spine, the center line of the body. And now we come back to center for inward circles, inhaling down and exhaling up. Breathing in and out, releasing tension from the upper back and the chest, making space for our Qi to flow. Breathing deeply down to center. And now we alternate, inhaling one hand around, exhaling the other, turning at the waist, watching the hands just glide through the air. Breathing deeply in rhythm with the movement. And then coming back to center, we'll move to the wrists, the hands, circling at the wrists, inhaling as they come up, exhaling as fingertips float down. Opening up all the energy pathways in the wrists, the hands, the fingers, releasing stiffness, arthritis. Now we'll alternate, inhaling one hand around and exhaling the other in rhythm with our breath, allowing the movement to ripple through the body. Now we'll reverse the movement, inhaling as fingers come in and down, exhaling as they float out and up. Breathing deeply, letting go, creating space. And now alternating, inhaling one hand around and exhaling the other. Releasing tension from the body. We started with the top of the head, moving down the body now to the back We're widening our stances comfortably, toes pointing out a little bit, knees bent, knees and toes pointing in the same direction, rolling down the spine very gently, very slowly, seeking our lowest comfortable spot. Inhaling, and then with each exhale, rolling down the spine just a little bit. As soon as we discover our lowest comfortable spot, we respect our body. We stay there, resisting the urge to push through. And just breathe deeply, inviting gravity to do all the work, stretching out the back body, creating space between the vertebrae of the spine, and increasing circulation to the head, to the brain. Then little by little, when we're ready, we slowly breathe our way back up, head, neck, and arms completely limp like a rag doll. Head will be the last thing to come back up to center, taking all the time we need, breathing our way back up at center. And when we arrive there, we'll take a couple of extra deep breaths, giving all the systems of the body time to rebalance. And now, bringing our feet back into our horse stance position, we're going to interlace the fingers behind the back with the index finger pointing down. Moving down the body into the hips, circling the hips with the breath to release tension from the hip sockets, inhaling for half the circle and exhaling for the other half. Breathing in and out, breathing away any stiffness or tension in the hip sockets, the hips. When you're satisfied, change direction, one full breath with one full circle. Feeling the hips get a little more slippery as they let go, creating space for the chi to flow. Now checking with our foot stance again. We're going to shifting our weight, imagining that we're full of weight up to our mid-thigh in each side. We're going to empty and fill, inhaling to empty and exhaling to fill. Breathing in and out. Inhaling to empty the weight in one leg, exhaling, shifting it into the other. This is where we begin to really develop an awareness of balance in Tai Chi. We're going to go ahead and fill one leg completely, close the eyes, then pick up the empty leg, the empty knee just a little, and circle the ankle to release any remaining tension in that leg. Breathing deeply, circling in both directions before we change sides, then inhaling to empty, exhaling to fill, closing the eyes to root and ground, then picking up the empty knee slightly and circling the ankle, releasing tension that may be remaining in the foot, the ankle, the leg, opening all the energy pathways in the body, head to toe. Well done. Now we're going to release one more thing, anything that's holding us back or wasting our energy. Hands act as sponges or magnets. We inhale as we draw it up, exhale as we let it go. We're releasing fear or pain, regret, distraction, anything that's wasting our energy. Inhale to draw it up and out, exhale to let it go, creating space for all good things coming to us. Inhaling to gather the last bit, and then exhaling to empty out. Now we'll reverse the movement, inhaling palms up, gathering beautiful energy from the sky. Exhale as we bring the sky energy in, right down through the head, and store it into our dantian, our center. Inhaling to gather more, and exhaling to store it away. Filling up our bodies, our minds, our spirits with good energy from the sky that serves. And now we'll balance out the sky energy with energy from the earth. Hands face each other, inhaling to draw the earth energy up through the feet and legs. Exhaling to tuck it into center. Breathing in and out. Again, drawing up the centering, grounding energy from the earth to complement the energy from the sky. Creating beautiful chi. Now moving that chi around through our body. We'll inhale as we draw the chi up from the dantian, the center. Exhaling as we send it forward and back. Inhaling to gather and exhaling to tuck it back in. Playing with our energy, inhale to draw it up. Exhaling, sending it forward and back all around us. Inhaling to gather and exhaling to store. Now inhale to draw it up and exhale, sending the chi out all around to the sides. Breathing in and out. Breathing in and out, splitting the energy to the sides with our breath. Beautiful. Now we'll inhale to draw it up. Exhale, sending it out to the sides one more time. and bringing it back to center. Now we're going to split the energy high and low. Inhale, low palm rolls up high to face the sky. And exhale to send the energy out. Inhale to gather, holding that ball of chi. Exhale as low hand roots down the belly and rolls up high to face the sky. Breathing in and out, splitting the energy high and low, sending it out all around us. Breathing in and out, moving in rhythm with our breath. Spreading the chi all around. And now we'll split the chi on the diagonal, inhaling to gather it all in. Exhale, connecting the corner of the sky with the corner of the earth. Inhaling to gather it back. Exhaling, connecting the sky and the earth with our chi. Breathing in and out. Breathing in and out. Splitting the energy on the diagonal. Beautiful flowing movement inspired by nature. Breathing deeply. And now we'll close our eyes and play with our chi, celebrating it, playing with that ball of energy, spinning it around, perhaps seeing how far apart the hands will travel without losing that feeling of connection. Just celebrating our chi, our life energy. Now holding the ball down low. Inhale to draw it up. Turn the palms over. Exhale, tucking the chi right back into your center, your dantian. And we close, bowing to harmony of body and mind. Beautiful work, everybody. Now I'm going to demonstrate the Tai Chi form, Yang style long form part 1. I hope you enjoy this beautiful movement. As we close the form, we'll bow to harmony of body and mind.